Eskolanmäen kiinteistöpalvelut in Kouvola. Kone Motala.
Yeah.
Built in 2011. 7 persons of 525 kilograms. 11422 And this is a small office building.
Yeah.
There's windows, nice.
Very loud sign.
Yeah. We don't have so much time
Yeah.
to wait here. I'm very slow for elevator. Let's take 2 roads maybe.
Yeah.
Door is so annoying
Yeah.
because Lappeenranta doesn't have any automatic doors on the Kone Motala elevator.
Yeah.
Just one automatic door on the Kone Pro Space elevator at Gallery Shopping Center.
Yeah.
And it is still faster than this.
Yeah.
Really loud door.
Expected by inspector maintained by doesn't say, but
Like the crap, this crap too, I mean the sound.
yeah.
Really long chime.
Yeah.
There's some water here. Mitsubishi electric.
Yeah.
Why it doesn't have the sensors? Hey, please, close.
Yeah. That's